Hello friends! Welcome to yet another fantastic healthy recipe. Today we are going to prepare a healthy tricolor salad roll. We will need a large carrot, 100 grams of paneer, a large cucumber and spices as per your choice. Cucumber is a good source of vitamin K and potassium. It has potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumbers are hydrating agents and help with weight management. This watery fruit is also good for skin health. Carrot is a rich source of beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are crucial nutrients for vision, immune function, and skin health. Carrots offer dietary fiber for digestive health and are low in calories. Peel the cucumber and carrot into small slices. You can also use a knife to cut the vertical pieces of cucumber and carrot. Now, grate the paneer and mix some spices like black pepper, jeera powder, salt, chili flakes, and mixed herbs as per your choice. Stuff the grated paneer mixture in between one slice of carrot and one slice of cucumber. Paneer is a good source of protein, calcium, and phosphorus, supporting bone health. It also provides vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Roll it in a circular direction and tie it with a toothpick. Your easy salad rolls are ready to eat.